forwards for a tip. Con and Salingay. Again, this is the Governors Cup 2023. Battle for third. Seniors Division between Mabini and Unido. And Danyo scores the first point of the ball game. Nice ball movement by Mabini. Libres. Short stab. Yes.
Libres. Image.
Makwa for three. No. Concon with the board and the putback.
Concon.
Early score, 4-2 in favor of Unido. Libres to Lagar in the middle. Short. Here's Gudes. Gudes on the fast break. Gudes floater. No. Lagare to Libres, but stopped on his tracks. Here's Vallecera. To Libres again. Will he find Lagare again in the middle? Fakes now this time. Lagare finds, no, Lagare jumper, no. Gudes on the run. Wants to go all the way this time. And Gudes, yes. 6-2. Unido. So makita na to karon no nga chill lang gini ng duwa, wala kay dagan-dagan, set play tanan. And here's Libres.
5
Lagare.
seconds to shoot.
Screen. Another jumper. No. 3 misses now for Lagare. 0-4-3 in the ball game. Then mo na gini nakita na ginato mga higala. Ang veteran exposure and experience from both of these teams. Makita mo, wala kay dagan-dagan, set play ra gyud tanan. Kay mga veterano na. Gudes with a miss, but a turnover from Mabini. Here's Gudes again. Wants the three, fakes. Garcia, he takes it. Air ball.
Out of bounds, Mabini's ball.
Niya lang. Early 4-point lead for Unido. Libres
15 second shot clock.
finds Acosta. Jab step. Acosta
10
wants the screen
seconds to
from
shoot.
Salingay for three. No. Lagare. Rebound. Jumper again. Wala. Gihapon. Acosta. Ooh. Blocked by Danyo.
Out of bounds, Mabini's ball.
So kung ano, very slow-paced game atong duwa karon mga higala. Fake handoff by Lagare. Reverse. No! Wala gyud gihapon si Lagare.
Out of bounds, Unido's ball.
0-4-4 now for Mr. Lagare. The coach of PMI Navigators. Garcia to Danyo. Danyo is open. He takes the jumper. Miss. Concon with a board, but no. Ball
Out of
goes
bounds,
to Mabini.
Mabini's ball.
Again, the slow-paced game of both these veteran teams. Vallecera for three. No. Makwa tries to run this time. Makwa all the way. Was stripped. Stripped by Vallecera. Vallecera fast break. This is Libres. Slows it down. Pass to Acosta. To Salingay. Fakes. Blocked. And the turnover
Out of
for
bounds.
Mabini.
Unido's ball.
Six minutes left. Oh, so 6-2 pagid gihapon atong score. Not the usual anong running,
15
dagandagan na
second
game.
shot clock.
This is Gudes on the wing. Gudes fakes, fade away. Now this is Libres on the run for the easy layup.
EBJ Libres.
Mabini final scores on the 6th minute mark of the game. Garcia to Danyo. Makwa
15-second shot clock.
swings it to Gudes for 3. No. Danyo board. Danyo put back. Yes.
Michael Danyo.
So as I mentioned kanina, no, it is visible that Benonido has a smaller lineup than Mabini. But in the offensive boards right now, Mabini is getting outworked by Benonido as Concon scores on a fast break off a beautiful outlet pass by Gudes. 10-4. Swings it again. Acosta for 3. No. Danyo with a board, but still by Acosta. Acosta crossover. Vallecera, short jumper is good.
Jake Vallecera.
10-6. Benonido still leads.
15-second shot clock.
Makwa corner. Fakes it. Drives. Finds
10 seconds
Garcia
to
on the
shoot.
top of the key. This is Makwa again. Shoots the contested jumper. Bang!
Makwa for 3 points.
First 3-pointer, no? Sa Benonido. After, I think, 5 attempts. Mabini, wala pa kaya po igo sa 3. This is Lagare na naanapot sa tunga. In the middle.
10-second shot clock.
Garcia, fast break. To Danyo. Kicks it out to the corner. Makwa again.
Edison
Bang!
Makwa for 3 points.
2 triples now for Edison Makwa. And karon labaw na po
3 minutes and 57
ang Benonido.
seconds. Remaining
16
time for
to
the first
6.
quarter with our
4
official
minutes
score.
left
Mabini
in the
6,
first quarter.
Benonido 16.
So, mga higala, no? Story of the game so far is the ability of Benonido to capitalize on the turnovers by Mabini. So, ma-turnover ang Mabini, fast break, layup, easy. Then, Makwa hitting two straight 3-pointers.
Back to the ball game, 3 minutes and 57
While
seconds.
Mabini, think, attempted 4 3-pointers na pero wala pa inisulod as of now. 3 minutes and 57 seconds left. Vallecera, stare down 3, no. Garcia again, gusto mo pass break. Naniguris karon, screen by Concon, jumper, short. Libres wants to run. Libres stopped on his tracks by Garcia. Acosta, jab step, crossover, jumper. Yet another miss for Mabini. This is Makwa running. Kicks it out to Gudes with a wide open 3. Bang!
Gudes for 3 points.
Third 3-pointer for Benonido. 2 from Makwa, 1 from Gudes. Lagare forces his way in. Lagare,
Joel
too big
Lagare.
and too tall for Benonido's front line. Again, I think kung gusto mapas ang Mabini, they should capitalize on their size inside. As you can see there, Lagare with the easy 2 points. Walay nakatapal. And again, what a beautiful cut
Concon.
by Concon. And what a find for Gudes for the easy 2 points. Mo itong murang na breakdown ng defense sa Mabini. Si Lagare gatalikod. And na-cut by Concon
15-second shot clock.
for 2 points. Acosta, wala gyud. Wa pa'y 3 ang Mabini. Garcia, tumakwa. He check. Bang! Oh my goodness! Edison Makwa is hot right now. Ikatulo na nga 3-pointer ni Makwa, mga higala, sa first quarter pa lang. And Vallecera immediately answers for the Mabini's first 3-pointer of the ball game. 1 minute and 40 seconds left, 13-point lead for Unido.
10 seconds shot
This
clock.
Makwa again. But turnover. Acosta on the break. Acosta all the way. No. Salingay with a tip. Libres. Salingay in the middle. Short jumper. Yes.
Francis Salingay.
Timeout. Unido.
Timeout. Unido. Back to the ball game with 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining time for the first quarter.
Back to the ball game. 11-point lead now for Unido. Gudes with their patented play from the baseline. Stares down Lagari for 3. No. Danyo will open the board. Reload 3. Miss. Wahing. In for Mabini. Vallecera. Pull up 3. Garcia with friends. Makwa all the way. For another 2 points. Makwa is very hot right now. 11 points in the first quarter.
40 seconds.
Marag iya gining adlaw.
10 seconds shot clock.
Libres. This is Vallecera. Tulagare. Jumper. Wala. Off to the right. Gudes. Fast break na po ni Makwa. Makwa challenges 5 Mabini players.
Foul.
And is fouled. Grabe. Waman mahadlok si
Foul on
Makwa to.
jersey number 8.
Lima na ka.
Mabini. First personal foul.
5 ka Mabini nga
First
players. Pero
substitution.
saksak
Locaverte
gid gyapon.
for Concon. Kompanya for Danyo.
That's what you get, no? Kung init gid ka, init
Two
gid
free
ka,
throws.
imong adlaw gid.
For Makwa.
Keep shooting.
20
Kung baka
seconds.
shooter shoot. $20 seconds left in the first quarter. This is a 14-point lead for Unido. But Makwa misses the second, so he's got 12 points.
15 seconds.
This is Acosta. Wants the screen from
10
Wahing.
seconds.
Acosta. Short jumper. Wala.
5
Mala si
seconds.
Acosta. Pass break na pod. Makwa for the buzzer beater. No.
End of the first quarter, our official score. Mabini 13, Unido 27.